At the age of 5, his father died. At the age of 16, he quit school. At age 17, he had already lost 4 jobs. At age 18, he got married. Between ages 18 and 22, he was working as a railroad conductor and failed. He joined the army and washed out there. He applied for law school. He was rejected. He became an insurance salesman and failed again. At age 19, he became a father. At age 20, his wife left him and took their baby daughter. He became a cook and dishwasher in a small cafe. He failed in an attempt to kidnap his own daughter, and eventually he convinced his wife to return home. At the age 65, he retired. On the first day of retirement, he received a check from the government of $105. He felt that the government was saying that he could not provide for himself. He decided to commit suicide. It was not worth living anymore. He had failed so much. He sat under a tree writing his will, but instead he wrote what he would have accomplished with his life. He realized that there was much more that he had not done. There was one thing he could do better than anyone he knew, and that was how to cook. So he borrowed $87 against his check and bought and fried up some chicken using his recipe. And he went door to door to sell them to his neighbors in Kentucky. Remember, at the age of 65, he was ready to commit suicide. But at the age of 88, Colonel Sanders, founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken Empire, was a billionaire. It's never too late to start all over again. Most importantly, it's all about your attitude. Never give up, no matter how hard it